Hello everyone. Today we're doing something different. I have just planned a small recommendation list because a lot of people keep asking me which book should we let our children read and from where should we buy the books and all. So today I'm doing this post about recommendations especially for kids below 5 years of age, and I feel this is a list which each one of you should invest in. Each child below 5 years of age deserves to own these books because these books are too good to not have them. So I'll just show the books to all of you, and there are good sales on Amazon, or you can just put them on the wish list of Amazon and you can buy them if you are keen on buying new ones. Or there are a lot of Facebook and Instagram pre-loved groups for books to buy. You can just be members and you just need to be very fast and prompt and block them as soon as they are posted. That would if you're okay with buying pre-loved books. And so we start. This list starts with the ones which the children should have and should read by being right from 2 years, 1.5, 2 years, because my son is 1.5 and he just loves this book. This is Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. This is one book which kids should have and read at any age, at least till 5 years of age, because it has a lot of beautiful colorful illustrations and with holes so that they can explore those holes and colors and days, all of these books. This has also been Medhavi's favorite book when she was a little younger. The next is the Lift the Flap book, Dear Zoo by Rod Campbell. This is another favorite book of kids because it has a lot of animals. Of course, at this age, around 2 years, kids start identifying animals. So it's very nice because it has these flaps and it tells very heavy, elephant is very heavy. Something which is very tall is a giraffe. So it's another book which kids really enjoy. Then one kind of a book you can have is a puppet book, which also helps kids relate, to talk to them, to touch them. So all their senses of listening and touch and feel sensations are developed. Another small book is Guess How Much I Love You. It's a book about hair, and there is a mother and child, or we can say a parent and a child in this book, and they talk about how much they love each other. This is one favorite book of Medhavi, and whenever she's a little sad or she's a little down, or whenever I come back from work, her favorite dialogue is Mama, I love you 100 and Mama, I love you 200. That's how kids pick up from the books. This is one book. This is a kind of book. I would not say this particularly, but this pull and push kind of book kids really enjoy because this is something that they like doing, and when they see the change in the activity, they feel very happy. So all the pull and slide books are maximum by the Campbell publishers, and they are very nice to have. Of course, they are a little bit expensive, so you can just put them in the Amazon wish list and buy them whenever there are good sales. This is another book, We Are Going on a Bear Hunt. This is a beautiful book and a kid should read it sometime, anytime, whenever they get a chance. It has beautiful illustrations, very differently illustrated book. It's one page with colors and the next page is black and white. So it gives a beautiful feeling to the kid, and all the kids just love this book. It's a hilarious book and it gives a very nice picture book and feeling whenever you read this book. Then is Owl Babies. Now this is a very cute book. I have also done a video on this book on my YouTube channel. You can just have a look. This book basically talks about the love between the child and the mother, and how the kids impatiently wait for the mother, and how mother always has the kids in her mind whatever she tries to do. Then of course all the Dr. Seuss books are very good. Cat in the Hat is one such book. Preferably 4+ kids enjoy this because it's a little long for younger kids to enjoy. Then all the Gajapati Kulapati series are fantastic. They are Tulika publishers, written by Ashok Rajgopalan. I have posted all the 4 books, so you can just have a look and buy them whenever they are on. Whenever you want to gift your child something, it can be a Christmas gift, it can be a New Year gift or a birthday gift. These are very good because they can be treasured for a long time. This is one book which we have got recently. We have loved this book. It's The Wonderful Things You Will Be. So this is basically a conversation between a parent and a child, and how the parent narrates to the child that whatever you grow up to be, you are still going to be loved However, the scenario comes, whatever kind of life we live, okay, the illustrations are so beautiful that we cannot even put it in words. Like, just saying beautiful is underrating the illustrations. Beautiful illustrations, beautiful storyline, and a lot of things which we really need to take from the book. And the last book today I'm recommending is the Perfectly Norman book, and it is a very different kind of a story, different kind of illustrations, and kids. It is how children themselves get shy, and how things change, and how just telling parents everything makes things easy is one thing that is shared in this book. So being normal is okay is what is being said in this book, and if whatever happens, if you share it with your parents, it gives you double the joy than what you have already received. This is a recommendation of few books, and I would also have another session with few more recommendation, because what I have missed in this is Julia Donaldson, because I would take all the books of hers, because it would make a very long session if we only take all these books. So this is something which I think each child should own, and all of you can make it a point of gifting these to your kids, as in when there are some occasions, Diwali, Christmas, Dashera, we can just give books which remain with the children for a very long time. These are favorites of both my kids, and I'm definitely sure that each of your kids would also love it. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel Storytelling with Shweta to have more such videos. Thank you.